How will the world of quantum computing affect blockchain, and do the Chinese see cryptocurrency as a weapon? Let's start the show. Welcome back to Crypto Global News. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy today's episode. G20 leaders have reaffirmed their stance towards cryptocurrencies in a communiqué following the G20 Summit in Osaka on June 29th of this year. In the declaration, the G20 leaders state that cryptocurrencies do not currently constitute a threat to monetary stability, and the technological innovation can deliver significant benefit to the global economy. The authors of the declaration also reaffirmed their determination to comply with the updated Financial Action Task Force anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing standards for cryptocurrencies. But what will the next step be for the G20? Will cryptocurrency go on to remain with business as usual, or will they look to collaborate on a larger project? In the past week, a single investor on Bitfinex placed a 20,000 Bitcoin short order, betting more than $200 million that the price of Bitcoin would go down in the near term. Overnight, the price of Bitcoin fell from $11,900 to $10,75, at the valuation of the crypto market dropped well below $20 billion within a span of only hours. The swift 8.5% drop of Bitcoin in the last 24 hours was primarily caused by technical factors. An investor placed a large short and a contract, which then led many retail investors to panic and sell, which brought down the whole market. This takes us one of the biggest problems facing Bitcoin more generally, along with other cryptocurrencies. With the ability of a single investor to cause such a market swing, how does one bring stability to the blockchain space? BitMEX, a Bitcoin derivatives exchange, has gone past the $1 trillion mark in annual trading volume. It comes as Bitcoin futures trading volumes explode to record highs on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange platform. Now, demand for Bitcoin derivatives, which gives users the ability to open up long and short positions on Bitcoin's price movement, is booming. BitMEX is popular for its high leverage margin trading. Users can execute 100 times leverage trades on Bitcoin futures and perpetual swaps. Now, last week, the exchange had a record day as the Bitcoin price shot almost up to $14,000 US. Open interest for perpetual swaps hit 1 billion, while total volumes hit 16 billion across the board. What does the future of margin trading look like in the crypto space? One of the key selling points of blockchain technology and its application is that cryptographically secure distributed ledgers are virtually unbreakable. This is under normal circumstances, of course. Now, given the current state of computational technology, this doesn't seem to be changing anytime soon. Its validity, however, is heavily dependent on the state of technology assumption. Now, should a huge shift in computing occur, our current blockchain-based systems may become vulnerable to threats not accounted for in their original design. But how urgent is the threat? Could this be happening anytime soon? The big strides that physicists have been making in the last 3 decades toward building an operational quantum computer could bring about such a shift, as a milestone called quantum supremacy, in which a quantum computer outperforms traditional computers on a specific task, could be reached very soon. The question of whether prospective quantum-based devices are capable of killing blockchain comes into the spotlight. This is a development to keep a close eye on. As much as 73% of Chinese enterprises believe that blockchain is a top 5 strategic priority, according to a report by Big Four audit and consulting firm Deloitte released in recent days. In the report, titled Deloitte's 2019 Global Blockchain Survey, the company surveyed close to 1,400 enterprise representatives in 11 countries, including 200 people in China, to provide a greater knowledge about major attributes and investments in blockchain as the technology. Now, while China has been among anti-crypto countries, having banned both initial coin offerings and Bitcoin to fiat exchanges in late 2017, the country has been actively disrupting the underlying technology of cryptocurrency. In March of 2018, Financial Times reported that the most patent filings for blockchain tech to the World Intellectual Property Organization, the WIPO, in 2017 all came from China. So, is the future of all crypto and blockchain development more generally coming from China? Many thanks for tuning into today's episode. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the show. For Crypto Global News, I'm Edward. Until next time, you take it easy.